Alright guys, I recorded this video like one at a time, and then I failed. I failed it. Big scary of them all. First we gotta join a code. Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
I play Monkey Marathon. Wanna play Monkey Marathon? This is my first time ever playing, so can you help me? Come here.
Yeah, like complete the whole game.
Oh shit, he's coming for me. Does anybody notice this?
Notice what?
Look up. Look up.
Oh my!
No, I haven't noticed it.
Let's go complete the game. Let's go complete the game, because that's what the video is gonna be about.
I'm gonna go in my secret bunker, guys. I'm gonna go in my secret bunker.
What's your secret bunker?
Alright.
Where's the monster? Oh, the monster's probably over there.
There's no monster.
Oh, juke. Run. Oh, I went the wrong way. Okay. No, I went the wrong way. Alright, where are you? Where's my buddy?
Bro, there's a bunch of black monkeys, man. There's a bunch of black
Bro, what? Bro, what?
Yo, buddy, that's how I beat the game. Are we doing the game? Are we doing the game? No, we're playing Monkey Marathon.
Over here.
We're playing Monkey Marathon, but no safe zone. No safe zone. Safe zone, bad. See you later, guys. Run! Sing women, sing for the ears, sing for the laugh, and sing for the tears. Oh, what the hell? Ew.
Watch out! He's coming! He's coming for you. Run so fast. Click.
Bro, I never ran so fast in my life. My arms hurt.
Yeah, I saw you like the whole time. Alright, there's like two different places where the wheel. We just gotta hope that the rat isn't over here. Uh-oh. There's no wheels. Yeah. I will. Looks like I died. Yo, I found the wheel.
Yo.
Did you get it? I think the door's this way. Yeah, it spawned near the door.
Doesn't it always?
Open up. Hold on, I opened it.
My arm keeps on glitching. Hold up.
Broken arm. Broken arm.
What can you say? Wait, how about we go in green? I know
Yellow.
Yellow's the right one. Yeah, how about we go in green?
Let's go in green.
Let's see what happens.
Oh god. Ah! Alright, I think blue's the answer.
Bro, I'm stuck in here. I'm stuck. Look, come here. Yo.
Oh, yellow's the right one. Yo!
Squeaky.
Epic content right there.
I'm gonna show you something. Wee. Hey,
Oh, I stopped you.
Wee.
Alright, now we go into green. Secret. I didn't know that secret. Squeak it.
What's good? What's good?
I'm gonna punch you! You never know.
Now we gotta find buttons. I remember. Button.
I don't.
You know where the others are?
No, I don't know where the buttons are.
Me neither. I think one is over there. I think.
I'm not going.
What is that? Bro, what's up?
I think we go to 7.
Are we playing Monkey Marathon?
Yo.
Yep, this is it.
Use the rods to power the door.
I know where some of them are. Wait, come here. Hold on.
Whoa, where am I?
Thank you, bro. Nah, I'm just hungry.
He ate our pizza!
a photo.
He's taking a selfie. Let me mute it.
No, literally, look. You can see the reflection.
He's taking a selfie.
Yo, look at this. Look at this. Look behind him. Look to the side. Stand right here. Stand right here.
Yo! He's taking a selfie.
Yo, can I get one pepperoni pizza? Thanks.
Can I get
do that. Me and him are sharing. Yum 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 yum. Alright, what do you want?
I don't want wrap pizza. I want this pizza. Alright, let's go. Oh god. Big black man!
Oh, Jesus Christ. Well, go cook him, man. Baba, go touch him. Go touch him. Yeah.
Where's that man?
Good.
Oh god.
Bro, British teeth again. Big black man.
Where is he?
I was putting my hands up to my chest. That way.
He probably went inside.
Get over here. There's one. Alright.
I heard a fire alarm noise. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
No, we could get tagged. Hey,
let's get tagged.
Me. Come and get me.
Tag monkey. Tag monkey. Whoa.
we still have it. Oh, Jesus Christ. Goofy goober.
Got killed. Where did he go? Oh, he's over there. Are we good?
I know where to go. Dude, go, hurry up.
Run! He's coming!
He's right behind us.
Oh my god,
he's
so fast. Oh my. Both of them were after us, bro.
Yet. No, he's here. He's here.
Oh, he wasn't. Oh, there he is.
Yes, he was.
Hey, buddy.
He fell. He fell off.
Bro.
You better get over here.
Uh-oh.
Well, you better get your swiggity diggity diggity something. We're out of here. Or over here. I don't know.
They're black men. Oh my god.
We can stay still real quick. I'm touching him.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hey, we good? Uh-oh. No, we're not. Or wait, yes, maybe we are?
No, we're not.
No. What the?
Oh, look.
Oh, happy ghost.
He's happy. I'm gonna touch it.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Where is he?
It's our boy. First of all,
alright, come on.
Days.
It's the, bruh. They're camping.
You can't get me. You can't get me. Oh yes, you can. Oh, you shoot. You shoot.
There's one up here. Got it.
Get over here. Are you? Oi, bro.
There's a rod up here. Come on, come on. Come on. Time for school. Gotta wake up. Time for school. Rat pizza.
Get over here. Now press that. Press.
Alright, I think we're safe. No, we're not. No, we're not. Oh, God. I was just there.
Yeah, bro, I hit my hand.
Bro, these big men keep on trying to get us. I called him Michael Jackson earlier because he was running in place backwards. Maybe he's mad at me because I called him Michael Jackson. Hey, buddy. I'm coming to save you. I need one more rod. Follow me, follow me.
There's one in here. Just kidding, this is just a hat. Oh, you have that. They can't get us in here. Don't worry. No worries. He's right behind you. He's right behind you.
survive that?
Do you play Gorilla Tag? Do you play Gorilla Tag?
Yeah.
You wanna go in the cold and play?
What?
After this, you wanna go in the code and play?
Yeah. I won't make it a video though.
Like,
You said it was safe.
okay, maybe. Okay, I didn't know they could do that. And go. Never mind. Just like I said, go. Controller fails. Get away from me. Is it chasing after me?
Yeah. Oh God. Oh God. Yo, there's one right behind me. Hey, how much rods do you got? I'm at 4.
You ain't touching me, boy.
Come here. Wait, do you have a rod?
Sweating, bro.
This will be the last rod. I got my last one. You have to get the other one. Which one's that?
We're gonna skip. Yeah, that's what we're gonna skip. Because
Which
that
one's the
one
last?
is so annoying.
Which one's the last one you got?
The one after this. The one after this. No! What the hell?
No. Yes! Ah, no, I'm dead.
Oh, you die. Stand still. Come here.
What?
Stand still.
Uh-oh.
I'm just 1 year behind you, bro.
Oh God.
13. Hey,
Bro, they're
Stinky.
camping.
No!
Nah!
No! That's crazy. Just cut that part out then.
Yeah, I'll try to cut that out. Alright, let's go.
That was crazy, bro. Nah,
I can't believe they were doing that.
Nah, they were enjoying themselves, bro. They were enjoying themselves. Yo, right there.
Go get it.
No, he didn't get to talk about it. I'm
Mm,
here.
this time it's
Who have been so long?
It's me, Pumpkin the Pumpkin. I want some candy to eat and I will open the door for you. Find some candy for me.
Wait, there's a level that we missed.
Which one?
I think it was level 5. No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't this one. I know that we missed a level. Hold up. I know one.
Which
Look,
one
we
did we
missed
skip?
level 6. Level 6.
Oh yeah, we did skip this one. Jimmy!
I'm gonna touch Jimmy.
Yo, what up, God? Oh, it's in here.
I know. I see it. Now we're just gonna put it back.
Where is he?
Stop.
He's coming.
Hey there. He's a skinwalker. He's not real.
Chill. Get in here. Get in here.
Someone's chasing after me.
Oh my God.
Jesus.
Wait for him to go over there. All right. Alright,
Yeah,
that's the end of this video. I'm gonna upload in like 10 years or something. I don't know when I'm gonna re-upload. Well, goodbye. I'll probably upload in like 10 days. I don't know. Okay, bye.